welcome to Pokewimmer Lockpicking and Lock Sport. The frogs are having a laugh. Why are they having a laugh? Well, they've seen me try to pick this twice now. Tried to do an out the pack pick. This is the model number. This is the Ace Disc Lock 70mm. Max security, lifetime warranty, stainless steel body, hardened steel shackle. Smooth operating brass cylinder, ideal for truck boxes and storage units. Oh, look at that. The pins are pick resistant. Well, they might be right there. The pins, they have a promise. So the pins are being protected by a very strong spring, so the pushing down pressure is quite full on, and that spring there, that's there, is strong enough to snap a tension wrench, I reckon. So there's our pins, 4 little pick resistant ones. So let's see how we go. Where it resisted me how many times? I'm up to 2, 3, keep track frogs. So let's try. Not that end, try this end. I've tried bottom of the QA, top of the QA. I've tried everything. Nothing's been working because I can't overcome that spring pressure. So it's strong enough to flip that tension wrench out that way. Alright, just locate that again. Here we go. Alright, let's try again. Now I've changed my camera setup and now I have a camera right in front of me and it just happens to be in the way of trying to pick something on this angle. So, not a good start to the setup. My other rig is, what I normally use is still in the van. I haven't unpacked from being away. Usually takes me about a week to unpack, because it takes me quite a while to recover physically from driving. Oh, by the way, this one came from Evil Arch Conservative. One in their 2, 3, 4 giveaway. This was one of the bonus prizes for answering some bonus questions. So I thought that was pretty cool. I can't get around that wooding. The pick does not like it. Flying tension wrenches, and I still haven't found the right tension because the spring pressure is so hard on the turning of the core. To get this right, it's like trying to pick an American lock. You gotta not put any tension on it basically until you think you've got it, and then see if you've got it. It feels like that. Yeah, I think this is my 3rd attempt. Just I'm feeling something. Or is it just warding? Try to do the hook. Get around that wadding. Still not getting any feedback. I thought these were 4 spools, which makes me think it's maybe they're all standard. I don't know, has anyone pulled apart one of these ace disc locks before? Looks like you'd have to destructively get into it. Oh, I thought I had it. Oh no. Now I've got it. Oh, finally. Wow, that is one tough lock, I tell you. That is a fun pick. That was just a fight and a half. That is just not an easy pick with all those springs working against you. Still working? Yep. Wow. Well, that was a lot of fun trying to pick that out of the pack. Not succeeding because I didn't want you to have to watch 2 15-minute videos of me just trying to get this one. So, yep, 3rd time lucky. Frogs are happy, happy, happy frogs. Happy jumping frogs. Right, the ace is out of the blanket. It's picked. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks to Evil Arch Conservative. Loving these locks. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.